Let's do a word problem with volume and surface area. Each popcorn bag shown holds exactly 96 cubic inches of popcorn. Which bag should a movie theater choose in order to use less paper when making the popcorn bags? All right, so we don't know the heights on either one of them, but we do know the volume, so we can figure out what the heights are. And then when we do that, we'll be able to use the surface area. All right, so volume equals base area times the height, and the base area are is this bottom here, which is 3 times 4. So I've got 3 times 4, and then the height we don't know, but we do know that the volume is 96. So 3 times 4 is 12H equals 96. We'll divide by 12. And the height of this taller bag is 96 divided by 12, which would be 8. So this one is 8. In bag B, volume is still 96. The base area is this bottom here, which is a 4 by 4. And then the height we don't know. So we have 16H equals 96, and we'll divide by 16. And 96 divided by 16 is 6. Okay, so this one is 6. All right, so we found the heights. Let's go with the surface area. The thing we need to remember is that we don't need the top of the bag because that is open. So with the regular formula, I'm leaving the 2 off. This is just the bottom. The length and the width. All right, let's call this one the length, and let's call this one the width. And there's our height. So the length and the width would be 4 times 3 plus 2, because we have the front and the back. The length is 4, and the height is 8. So that's 2 times 4 times 8, plus 2 for the both sides, the left side and the right side. The width is 3, and the height is 8. So we have 12 plus 8 times 8 is 64, plus 6 times 8 is 48. If we add 12, 16, and 48 together, see, that'd be 124 inches squared. Okay. Now on this one, the bottom is still the length and the width. So that's 4 times 4. Remember, we're not using 2 because we don't have the top. Plus 2 times the length and the height, which is 4 times 6. Plus 2 times the width, 4, and the height, which is 6 again. Oops, let's see, which one did I leave off? The 4. All right, 4 times 4 is 16. And then we have 8 times 6, which is 48. And then again, 48. So 16 plus 48 plus 48 would be 112 inches squared. All right, so the surface area that would save the not using as much paper, would save paper, would be this 112. You should choose bag B to save paper.